Hi students, in the last class we discussed about the chapter is lines and angles, and the topics are complementary angles, supplementary angles. Then today we are going to discuss about the topics are adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, and a transverse line. Already we know that the meaning of complementary angles. The sum of any two angles is 90 degrees or called complementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of any two angles is equal to 180 degrees or called supplementary angles. Now I am going to explain about the adjacent angles. See the definition of adjacent angles. The angles having common arm and common vertex are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means the angles which have common arm or common side and common vertex are called adjacent angles. See, observe this figure, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are having the common arm and the common vertex. So 1 and 2 are called adjacent angles. Common vertex is here O. The common arm is here OB, then angle AOB or angle BOC, otherwise angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. In this figure, common vertex is O and the common arm is OB, so this figure is indicating the adjacent angles. So the next topic is vertically opposite angles. What is the meaning of vertically opposite angles? When the two lines are intersecting in the plane, the angles which are forming there are called vertically opposite angles. See, line L and line M. These two lines are intersecting at the point O. Line L and line M are intersecting at a point O. Here forming the angles they are forming four angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So here 1 and 3, angle 1 and 3, one pair of vertically opposite angles, angle 2 and angle 4, another pair of vertically opposite angles. The meaning of vertically opposite angles, in the plane the two lines are intersecting, they are forming there four angles. In there two pairs are vertically opposite angles. One and in this figure L and M are two intersecting lines. They intersected at O, formed the angles are four angles. Name of the angles are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first pair of vertically opposite angles 1 and 3 are one pair of vertically opposite angles. 2 and 4 are one more pair of vertically opposite angles. So the properties of vertically angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Suppose the two lines intersected at a point O, this angle is 70 degrees. Angle AOB 70 degrees, then angle COD also 70 degrees, because the property of a vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So AOB and COD are vertically opposite angles. AOD 70 degrees means angle AOB 70 degrees, then angle COD also 70 degrees. This is 110 degrees. Angle BOC 110 degrees means angle AOD also 110 degrees. According to the rule of vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. The next concept is transversal line. This is very important concept. See the meaning of transversal or transversal line. In the plane, one of the line is intersecting two lines in the plane at two different points, such that line is called transversal. Suppose, see the figure L and M. These are given the two lines in the plane, and also these are called parallel lines because these are not intersected. These two lines are intersected by one more line N at two different points, at A and at B. The line L is intersected the two lines L and M at two distinct points or two different points, that is A and B. So this line N is called transversal line. Suppose the three lines are given in the plane. Sometimes they will give four lines, three lines. The line which is intersected, three lines are two lines at different points. That line is called a transversal line. So in this figure, N is called transversal. When the transversal is intersected in the plane two lines at two different points, they are forming four angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this transversal line is making in the plane total 8 angles. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These name of the angles are different. So, corresponding angles, interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. See, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. These four angles are located outside of the two lines. These are called exterior angles. 1, 2, 7 and 8. These are called exterior angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These are inside of the two lines. So these are called interior angles. 3, 4, 5 and 6 are called interior angles. And one more name of the angles are there. Already I told that one. 1 and 3, 2 and 4 vertically opposite angles. 5 and 7, 6 and 8 vertically opposite angles. Then another name of the angles, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means one is exterior, another one is interior, or one is interior, another one is exterior. It means angle 1, comma angle 5. 1 and 5, angle 4 and 8. Next, angle 2 and 6. And angle 3 and 7. These are called corresponding angles. Total 4 pairs of corresponding angles are there. I will say that in the next class what are the properties of corresponding angles and what are the properties of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means the angles which are located either side of the transversal line but not adjacent. Either side of the transversal line but not adjacent means 3, 5, 4, 6. Angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. These are alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles, the angles are which are located outside of the two lines and either side of the transversal line but not adjacent. 1 and 7, 2 and 8, these are exterior alternate angles. It means in the plane the two lines are intersected by another line, that is called a transversal line. The transversal line is making in the plane total 8 angles, 4 exterior angles, 4 interior angles and 4 pairs of corresponding angles, 2 pairs of alternate interior angles, 2 pairs of alternate exterior angles. In the next class, we will discuss about these rules and properties of a corresponding angles, in alternate interior angles and how to find out the values according to the transversal line.